Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Good morning. Welcome to our presentation. Before we start our presentation, I will introduce my member group. 1. Ismiana Husnul Khotimah or me. 2. Raditya Tegar Mahardika. 3. Devianti Puspita Hendriana. 4. Muhammad Habibul Amin. 5. Eka Berliantina. Next. Today, we will presentation about agriculture technology with title Important and Advancement in Agriculture Technology with writer Sanjay Kumar Raina, Sri Kashmir University of Agricultural Science and Technology of Kashmir, Srinagar, India, Journal of Agroecotechnology. Next. First, I will start presentation from introduction. Agriculture farming is very important part of life of people. It is the important source of economy and food. Over the previous years, this area has seen a lot of change and advancement in the diverse cultivating approaches and techniques. Next. Important agricultural technology. Benefit of agriculture technology is 1. Higher crop productivity. 2. Decreased use of water, fertilizer, and pesticide. 3. Reduce impact on natural ecosystem. 4. Less runoff of chemical into river and groundwater. 5. Better facilities to provide worker. And then advance of this technology is 1. Greater efficiency and lower price. 2. Safer growing condition and safer foods available in the market. 3. Reduce the impact of environmental and ecological. The next material will present by Raditya.
Okay, thank you. Well, the next material is the use of technology in agriculture. We know that all life today is inseparable from technology, so it is not uncommon that agriculture also use technology. The following are examples of the use of technology in agriculture. Number 1, farm machines. At present, population growth in the world is increasing, plus agricultural land is decreasing. This is an obstacle for farmers to be able to meet the needs of agricultural product quickly, efficiently, and with quality. So that agricultural machinery is needed to help the agricultural production process. Here are some examples of farm machines. Number 1, combine harvester. Is a sophisticated rice harvesting machine where this tool is equipped with cutting tool, threshing, and carrying rice in a single performance process. Next. And number 2, rice transplanter. Is a modern rice seed planting tool with a uniform and regular number of planting, spacing, and planting condition. And the next material will be delivered by my friend.
Okay, thank you. The next material is crop sensor. Effective application of fertilizer and pesticide remains a big challenge in agriculture, especially dictated to the application. It comes to the determination of what fertilizer work best for different plants, when to apply, and what quantity. The use of crop sensor can make it easy for farmers to effectively apply fertilizer and pesticide just much as the crop need. Crop sensor technology work using one of three principles of measurement. Number 1, mechanical crop sensor operate based on a plant contact can be classified into sensor which measure crop water potential and sensor for crop biomass density measured. Number 2, optical crop sensor. Optical crop sensor used in farming which measure the agricultural crop reflectance and can be classified into satellite, aerial, and ground-based. Number 3, acoustic crop sensor. Acoustic crop sensor have a miscellaneous appliance in farm management. The next material by Habibul.
Okay, for next slide is using of GPS in field documentation. GPS is becoming a common technology in agriculture. For example, modern agriculture involves the use of GPS to document the status of the farmland. So for the profit for this application are easy to determine and document the field from a different farm. So applications that can be measured properly, that the farmers can rely on the collected and recorded data for different when making an decision. The result is a map out of year, which is very useful because it can provide various information about anything, such as status of the drainage system on farmland. So the next slide will be presented by Eka.
The next biotechnology. Biotechnology is also referred to as genetic engineering and the process of improving the genes of a given crop. In most cases, genetics engineering is carried out to increase the resistance of certain crops to farm inputs such as the application of herbicides. Through biotechnology, farmer can plant on areas that were otherwise considered dry or desert. Modern agriculture, the technology hopes to achieve, among other, two important goals: profitable economy and better output. It is therefore important to be careful with the goals and objectives that you set upon the implementation of different technologies in agriculture. Some of the aspects that you should look and include of to apply and organize fertilizer, irrigation, tree intensive tillage, monoculture, and the application of other resources. However, in order to achieve this goal, farmer needs to understand the concept of modern farming and the use of technology. Next. Conclusion. Agriculture farming is very important part for life of people. It is the important source of economy and food. Therefore, agriculture technology is indispensable. The use of modern technology in agriculture ensures that farmers grow a lot of food in the shortest possible time. Such technology are important in agriculture as they promote better and more efficient farming practice. The use of plant sensor can make it easier for farmers to apply fertilizer and pesticides effectively according to planets. Reduction of agriculture input in place that farmers also save on agriculture resource costs. Therefore, to achieve this goal, farmers need to understand modern farming concept and the use of technology. Next, I'll take it back to the moderator.
Okay, thank you. Our presentation is end. Thank you for watching and thank you for listening our presentation. See you later. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.